Prove that 1 plus cos theta minus sin square theta divided by sin theta within bracket 1 plus cos theta is equal to cot theta. To prove this question, first write left hand side. So left hand side is equal to what is in right side? As I said, cot theta. So we have to make left hand side in a single term, that is cot theta. To do so, the terms in the denominator should be cancelled out. So first factorize the numerator because there are two factors in the denominator. To factorize this, see 1 plus cos theta in numerator, also 1 plus cos theta in denominator. But also sin square theta can be written as in terms of cos square theta. That is how to do this. 1 plus cos theta minus, we may write 1 minus cos square theta, as from trigonometry known that sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is equal to 1. Hence sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, as it is. Now see 1 minus cos square theta. We may factorize this as per formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. We should write to make out a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. As such, we may do 1 plus cos theta sin theta. Now take out common 1 plus cos theta from numerator. Now taking out common, what is remaining in first term? 1 plus cos theta into 1. That means we may consider this 1 minus, this is taken out as a common, so minus 1 minus cos theta, so minus 1 and minus of minus cos theta, we should write, or it may be converted into cos theta upon sin theta 1 plus cos theta, that is equal to 1 cancelled out, so 1 plus cos theta into cos theta by 1 plus cos theta, 1 plus theta get cancelled out, so cos theta by sin theta, that is equal to cot theta, which is right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side. Our question is proved. Thank you very much for watching.